Hey babes, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're coming across my video for the first time, please do also give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification button so you do not miss any of my videos. And to my returning subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you for always stopping by to support your girl. Kisses. Okay, so in today's video we'll be making grilled turkey. Very juicy, delicious, tasty grilled turkey and oven roasted potatoes. Yeah, sweet potatoes. So I'm going to start by boiling my turkey. So I'm just going to season my turkey with some dry pepper, paprika, curry, seasoning cubes, salt, thyme. So I covered that to steam for some minutes. Then I added onion and water. So I'm just going to stir. It was a bit difficult to stir because the pot is full. So I'll just cover this and allow it to cook. So while it's cooking, I'll go ahead to prep my potatoes. So I just peeled my potatoes. I'm going to cut into round shape with this crinkle cutter. So you can cut into whatever shape or size you prefer. So I added salt and little oil and then paprika powder. That's because I want the color popping. So I'll just shake to mix that together. Then I set it aside while I check on my turkey. So my turkey is fully cooked. So I'm just going to transfer to my strainer while I prepare my pepper sauce. It's peppered grilled turkey. So in my pan, I'm going to add little oil to that, and then I'll add my pepper mix. So this pepper mix has spring onion, that's green onion, red onion, paprika pepper, bell pepper, scotch bonnet, garlic and ginger, fresh garlic and ginger. So I also added garlic powder, yes, to that. And then I season with some salt, seasoning cube, thyme, and then added soya pepper. So when making grilled turkey, next time remember to add soya pepper. Yeah, it's going to elevate the taste of the sauce. So I just fried the sauce for a couple of minutes and it's ready. Then I'm going to transfer my already boiled or cooked turkey to the pot and then add some of the pepper mix. And I'm going to use my hand to massage this properly so all the sauce goes into the turkey. You can see there's an incision on the turkey already. So everything is just going to go inside while it's grilling. So I'll transfer into my line baking tray my potatoes and my turkey. So my second tray was busy in the oven, so that's why I overcrowded my tray. So if you want to make yours, you can use different tray for the potato and different tray for the turkey. So I just popped that into the oven, and then for the remaining sauce, I'll be using it to eat my potatoes. So I added some tomato puree I have in the fridge, the one I use in making my jollof or something quick. So I added a little bit of oil to the remaining pepper sauce, and then I added the tomato puree and then crayfish. Yes, I want that flavor of crayfish. So you can decide to skip this, it's optional, but I'm going to use this for my potatoes, so why not? So at this point, my potatoes and turkey is ready straight out of the oven. Okay, so this turkey, it's so juicy, it tastes so delicious, it tastes better than it looks, trust me. So let me know what you think about this recipe, share your thoughts, and let me also know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Anticipate, guys.